As you say, I'm white as paper, so let's see how this goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is,
I can feel it.
fasten your seatbelts. You ready?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to fasten your seatbelts. Because we are cruising at 36,000 feet today.
Yeah!
36,000 feet. What?
Get in that seat, motherfucker.
36,000 feet.
Fasten those seatbelts, folks!
It is sunny outside in Barcelona where we are flying today. We're flying to Barcelona. It is 73 degrees out. And look to the flight attendant because she will demonstrate how to put on your seatbelt. Your seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Seat.
Rotation seatbelt.
Whoa.
Woo! Wow, guys, that was pretty crazy. Wow. That was
Wicka
pretty
wicka what?
Yeah. Wick what?